Yes! Merry Boxing Day, everybody. It's not blowing, it's not raining. Oh, got about 2.5 kilowatts coming in. Lovely. Told ya. Happy days. That's nice. Told ya. Happy days. That's nice. For a wee while now, I've been toying with the idea of a wee bus bar out the bottom of the breaker to the JK BMS to try and get rid of any nasty twists and whatever in the cables. Here I have a bit of tactically acquired scrap aluminium from my old job, which conveniently has 2 M8 holes already laser cut in it. So what I was going to do is just cut out a bus bar-y shape, but where I haven't used tinned copper lugs, that puts me into the league of a bit of galvanic corrosion with dissimilar metals. So that one's out, I think. Then I toyed with the idea of, because I've used the flexible bus bars, I've now got spare standard bus bars. So I was toying with the idea of cutting out the middle section, popping a couple of holes in it, doubling up, and having a wee bus bar. But yet again, I've made a minor mistake. What it is I've left the heat shrink. Ooh, sorry. I've left the heat shrink a touch too long. So consequently, that bit there is quite stiff. So I've lost a lot of the flexibility in the cables. So temporarily, until I get my smart shunt, I've bitten the bullet, and it's got a half twist in it, which I don't really enjoy doing, and it's not ideal putting twists and stress into the cables, but it'll do temporarily. And once I get the smart shunt and in there like so. I also don't like 2 lugs going into 1 terminal post, but it is what it is. Not having anything running is hurting now and costing a lot of money, and it's a bit of an inconvenience. It'd be lovely to get up and running. I'm a long way off of pushing and pulling maximum amps through the system, so for the time being it'll do. God, look at those nicotine stains. I'm gonna have to fucking give up smoking or cut down. Terrible. I tried filming me doing it, but honestly all you saw is the back of my fat head. So it's not ideal. I don't really like it, but it didn't feel like I was forcing the cables too much. There's no sort of nasty horrible crunchy noises or anything like that. So it'll do. Not great, but not terrible. No, camera won't do it. So yeah, not great, but not terrible. It'll do for new. Oi! Oot! Oot! Go on, don't you be shitting in here. Alright. It's a lovely day outside. I've got some outside jobs to go and get on and do. Boingy, 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 boingy. It's a little bit long. And we're about that big, about that big, about that, about that big, 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 about that big. Oh, I need both hands. Damn it. And now it's not too long. See the old fingers? They're still in calibration. Ha 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 ha. Happy days. Now all I've got to do is that. Only joking. I'm not that much of an amateur. I am, however. That's sticking out quite a way. Stuff that out too. Oh, there you go, I'm an amateur. It's out far too far. Just gonna be an absolute nightmare. I am, however, reduced to using the stupidest, bluntedest Christmas cracker junior hacksaw going because I can't find a other bloody hacksaw. So lots of little rabbit punches. Honestly. No wonder we can never find anything in this place. It's a fucking pigsty. How's that for a nice noise? Anybody? That'll do. That'll do. That'll do. And then we just deburr it. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's not supposed to do that. Fucking stand well back. That wakes you up. That shouldn't have been so rumbly and horrible noise. I think it's gone out of balance. Whoa. I love an adrenaline rush. You do not want a grinding wheel to explode on you, and if anything ever goes tits up, it's all going that way. Get to the side. It should not be rumbling and shaking like that. Wee hee. Whew. So what did Jesus say when they let him down from the cross? Not the top ones first! This is such an easy design to work with. Oh, fucking idiot. Just needing to re-employ some Volkswagens for the moment. Nobody move. Don't move. No. Ah, fuck it. Knew I should have used two hands, but never mind, eh? Never mind, eh? Too late now. Too late now. Fucking Egypt. Should have known better, but never mind. Never mind. Never mind. It's only the JK fucking balance. It's only the JK BMS power leads. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to see here. Where's my penny washer? Penny washer. Penny washer. Penny washer. Penny washer. Hunt me nut. I'll nip it up. Get my spanner, nip it up. Yeah, I'll fucking do. Sometimes this world makes no sense to me. Hunted high and low for a hacksaw, couldn't bloody find it. Two tiny 7mm spanners, no bother at all. Hands straight on them, honestly. So, I'll just check they're nice and square. OCD never killed anybody. Can't brain work that way. There you wee bugger. Get on there, you fiddly little fucker. Fiddly little fucker. Still walling. One more. Exciting stuff, eh? Man does it nuts. No, that's good enough. Ah, it's in the way. Good, thanks, man. Mum. Alright, that'll do. That's that done. Nice and rock solid. Not going anywhere. That is now at 1 with the frame of the shelving, so one less job to do. Cables now. Right then, I suppose I better see if this shit will fit. It looks like it's going to be quite a jiggly wiggle. As you can see right there, the plate, like the bus material plate is right there, so the cable hopefully will just run and kiss that with a bend, but get that up there. Oh, it's quite nice. It's going to be quite. I've got a little way to go actually. I've butted right up against. That's the end of the cable, butted up right against the wee bolt that goes into the threaded hole. So that's actually achievable. Hey. One of my most favouriteest tools is this bad boy. Time to break out the heavies. There's probably better hydraulic crimpers on the market, but these were listed on Andy's off-grid garage, just off of Amazon. Oh yeah, we bugger you. So one thing I've always seen on YouTube videos of people is they struggle to hold the cable and hold the thing and pump it up and down, is to get yourself a vise. Get yourself a vise. Make your life easy. Crash bang wallop. That way you've got one hand to hold the cable, and then you've got another hand to pumpy wumpy, and you can get your eyeballs on it. The only things that I have noticed at times, these dies, I would have to use two sizes to get a right nice crimp. Sort of like start off with the bigger one and work your way down to the small one and sort of nibble, move along, nibble, move along, nibble, and then change the dies and give it a tighter squeeze, and that way I've been getting a nice, really nice crimp on my cables. One thing that I've been quite happy with. So these ones are too small. Yeah. I need three pairs of, alright, I need 3 pairs of hands. I'll try and somehow hold that over here. And nobody move. Nobody move. Nobody move. Go for there. Go for there, because then that gives me a teeny tiny bit of slack to play with. Should give me a bit of slack to play with. Yeah. That'll do, hopefully. Maybe. These have been pretty good as well, because they ratchet down and cut the cable, shear it really nicely, and sort of doesn't squish the cable too badly, because normal cable cutters, things like that, can squish the cable before it cuts it. I've had these quite a while. I'll try and find them on my Amazon history and put a link in the description below, because they've been really good. They're no good for armoured cables and things like that, but for copper cables they've been pretty good. I'll try and get this for you if that's not going to be too close. Is that going to be too close? Oh, phone's running out of battery. Screen's just gone dark. I'm going to lose you soon. And then it's not, I mean, it squishes it a little bit, but you try and use normal side cutters, and it really does squash them quite badly, but you just give it a little and then you're back to round. So I'll try and put a link in below, but get yourself something like that for cutting your big cables instead of ones like that, because all those ones do is really badly mangle them and squish them, and then you've got to try and get them tidied up to put into your ring terminal. This might be it for now, because my phone's about to die, I think. Right, yeah, and it'll probably be long enough as well. Probably be long enough to bore you to tears, but I'm getting there. Getting there. I should be carrying on, but obviously I need to put you on charge. Bye bye for now. Look after yourselves.